Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to get A2P verified on HubSpot, so you can send high-volume SMS messages without getting blocked or flagged. Perfect for marketing, sales, or customer support. First off, log into your HubSpot account and go to Settings greater than Messaging, greater than SMS. Look for the A2P verification section. This is required if you're sending business-related bulk messages. Here's a pro tip. Have your business info ready, including tax ID, address, and message templates. Fill out the A2P registration form. Include your use case, expected volume, and how contacts opt in to receive messages. Verify your phone number ownership. HubSpot will ask for proof that you control the number being used. Don't forget to submit supporting documents like a business license or website proof to speed up approval. Once done, wait for confirmation. Most verifications take 1 to 3 business days, so should you feel stuck with message limits or delivery issues, not anymore. With A2P verification done, you'll enjoy better deliverability and higher sending limits. Let me know in the comments if you've completed A2P verification with HubSpot, and what kind of messages you're sending. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.